everyone, I am Zainab Khatun. I'm the founder and CEO of Doubly.org. I've done my bachelor's in pharmacy from Deccan School of Pharmacy. So about Doubly, Doubly is India's only bike transportation platform for women driven by women. We are a platform where we connect women riders to women passengers. So the inspiration to start Doubly was, the poor commute facilities that we have in our country. There was not a platform where passionate women riders could come and, relive their passion every day. So I started this service where we connect, where it is exclusively for women, and we connect passionate women riders with the people who are seeking safe, affordable commute option. I wouldn't say market is really huge, right? I wouldn't say compete, but I think we would coexist. But how different Doubly is from all of the other platform is we are women exclusive, right? We do not cater to both male and female. We only cater to women passengers, and we only have women riders. That's one thing. And the other thing is the company and everything was started by women. So there's a correlation that happens, that we can understand what is going through and how we can come up with solutions that women has according to rides and etc. Hence we have flexible timings for all of the women. They want to be a part of the platform, but they get a little hesitated when it comes to socially doing stuff, riding as a profession. So many wants to use the service, but nobody wants to be of service. So that's one thing. And the second is the decision making that happens in young women riders, right? That happens in their household, be it from any community. So there's this one taboo that happens regarding women being on the road. So that is what I'm trying to break. I would love all of the women riders to join our platform, and so that we can break all of this taboo together. As of now, we have a community of 15 to 20 riders. So depending on their flexibility, availability, they take rides. In the total 2 years, we have empowered 150 plus women. They have been onto our platform. So as of now, the service is limited to Hyderabad, to certain areas. But once our application is launched, we will cater Hyderabad efficiently, then move on to the different cities of India.
If you have the app on your phone,
We do have it here, so let's.
yeah.
Yes. More than 1.3 कुछ सेल कर कंफर्टेबल साइड रन किया हुआ है। 4 months